Hi, I'm Joey. While the weather is just starting to show glimpses of spring, many of us are already daydreaming of summers at the beach. And what better food to help us with that dream than fish and chips? Today we're going to make a healthier alternative to fish and chips by baking it rather than deep frying. But please fear not, it's going to be just as delicious. The ingredients we'll use are 2 fillets of cod, breadcrumbs, salt, pepper, olive oil, lemon for a garnish, and 2 potatoes. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Wash the potatoes. And rather than a traditional French fry wedge shape, I like to slice the potatoes in small circles like potato chips, so we can get some of the crisp that you get from a deep fried French fry. I told you we wouldn't be losing any flavor. The trick to these chips is the thinner you cut them, the more crispy they'll be. Toss the potatoes in olive oil, salt, and pepper. Then we're going to line them up on a baking sheet and put them in the oven for 40 to 50 minutes, depending on how crispy you like them. While that's baking, we'll start the fish. The first thing we'll do is rub our cod in olive oil. This could also be done with melted butter, but olive oil is a healthier choice. Season the fish with salt and pepper on both sides. And then toss it in some breadcrumbs till the whole thing is covered. We're going to bake the fish until the crumbs begin to crisp and the cod flakes easily with a fork. This is usually at about 15 minutes. Fish should always be cooked to a minimum temperature of 145 degrees. You can garnish with some lemon slices that can be squeezed onto the fish to give it a little more flavor. And there you go, a healthier alternative to fish and chips. Happy daydreaming.
To support Greater Lynn Senior Services and see more videos like these, please consider making a donation at the link below and subscribe to our channel.